Today we'll take a look at two powerful herbs you can use on your hair. If you are new to the channel, my name is Lydia. Do well to subscribe. So we'll be using cashew leaves for this treatment. Cashew leaves and rosemary leaves for this treatment. Yes, cashew leaves. As you already know, this channel is all about DIY, things you can do for yourself at home to promote hair growth. And since I'm always here promoting what nature has given us like herbs, I'm always here to tell you that you can use herbs to grow your hair. So in this video, we are using just cashew leaves and then rosemary. Most of you know the benefits of rosemary, but I'm sure a few of you have heard of cashew leaves. Well, cashew leaves is so potent. Cashew leaves contains vitamin E and it really nourishes the hair. It also contains copper, which promotes hair growth. It prevents hair loss, it enhances hair texture and shine, it strengthens the hair strands, and it also increases hydration on the scalp. Yes, so if you are looking for something that is not really like something people use a lot, try using cashew leaves and you are going to be impressed. You will see that I'm trying to take them off from the stem itself. Yes, it's not compulsory. You can boil this, but I don't have access to heat like that. As I said earlier, that I have moved out from my previous days and I'm trying to settle in, so like cooking, proper cooking and the rest, I don't really have access to the other stuff. Yeah, so our next ingredient is rosemary. Yes, this is a popular ingredient that we all know is good for hair growth because it has been tested at the lab and it has been proven to promote hair growth. In this video, we are making ourselves a powerful hair growth spray, and hair growth spray means that you are adding water to it. Water is a main factor in the spray, so we add our hot water. Yes, at this point you can decide to boil it. Boiling makes it faster, like I won't even lie to you, but then I mentioned earlier that this is what I want to use now. This is what's convenient for me now, so I just leave it in the hot water and then I let it sit down for about 20, 15, 30 minutes. It depends on the time I'm ready to use it on my hair. Some people even leave it overnight. You can leave it overnight, it's totally fine with you, but I don't like to leave it overnight because I just want to enjoy it hot like that, so like on my scalp hot like that. Yeah, so when you allow it to infuse a while, you notice a color change. It means that the nutrients from the herbs or from the cashew leaves and also the rosemary leaves have been infused into the water. That's how come there's a color change, because the normal color of water is like transparent, but then once you infuse it for a while, there's a color change. I'm using this to moisturize my hair. Like, my hair has been so dry for a long time. No, I don't mean a long time. I washed my hair the day before this video and I wanted to moisturize it. So yes, I needed to spray some of the cashew spray on it. This spray on it, so that I can moisturize my hair with it. I always say that moisturizing the hair means you are including both water and then oil, or water and butter. It's not just water and it's not just oil. If you just use only one, you have done little to nothing. Yes, so it's best to use both at the same time. You could tell that I'm just using the water here for both hydration and also using it on my scalp. They are very important. I had to do a little length here because how after going through a lot of hair challenges these past months, like I think a year or two ago, I had a serious hair setback, and then I'm trying to revive the hair back. So I was also impressed with the length. So I was using some hair butter. It wasn't a DIY butter, but it's called Chapter 2000. Yeah, I like using that butter a lot. So that was what I was using. It was even finishing and I had to mince on the little that was available. This is me appreciating my length because this hair has gone through a lot. Yes. So now let's talk about some of the benefits of using cashew nuts. Cashew nuts can cashew leaves. Yes, the nuts are also very good, but in this video we are focusing on the leaves. Cashew leaves, when used in spray, can strengthen the hair strands. Did you know that they contain protein which support the formation of keratin, a protein that acts as building block for hair strands? Stronger strands are more resilient against damage, reducing the occurrence of split ends and breakage. This is one of the best benefits of cashew leaves. Yes, so you can either use the cashew leaves in sense of consumption or make it into an oil, which when I get time, I'm not promising that video, but when I get time I can show you how you can make cashew nuts oil. But in this video, we are just doing a spray that we can use on our hair. Another benefit is that it also prevents hair loss. Guys, hair loss is one of the main factors. Like, a lot of people are complaining of hair loss here and then, left and right. I'm losing my hair, I'm losing my edges, I'm losing my nape hair, like I'm losing the back of my hair, like a lot of challenges. Cashew leaves is a very effective way of preventing hair loss. Like, you are going to strengthen your hair strands that you are going to ask yourself, wow, is nature that powerful? Yes, nature is very powerful. So imagine combining this potent herb with rosemary, a herb that has been scientifically proven to promote hair growth. You just imagine that you're going to yield lot and lot of benefits. And I always come here with good news, and I always don't want to be so expensive so that you get confused with what to do. So if you're experiencing hair loss, just make this tea and then use it on your hair every blessed day. Whether you're in braids or not, use it on your hair. If you're in braids, you can use it on your scalp and then follow up with your hair growth oil. If you're not in braids and your hair is like mine right now, you can just spray it, focus on the scalp a bit and the hair strands, and then massage your oil in. You are going to be impressed at the result. Like, I'm not even lying. I'm not even trying to, like, no capping here. I'm telling you the whole truth. Yes. So try adding this to your routine and you are going to be impressed at it. So I always mention how often you can use these teas. Don't make so much so that you can use it every day. When you make so much, you are going to regret, because they can go bad after a week and you're like, why? Like, you've wasted your time, your money, your resources. So please don't make so much of these. Just do a little you can use for about a week, maximum a week, or minimum 2 or 3 days, so that you don't waste so much and so that it doesn't go bad, smelling bad in your hair. Yes. So now let's talk about some of the benefits of rosemary. I'm sure most of you know the benefits of rosemary, but then let me just talk about a few. I mentioned earlier that rosemary has been tested in the labs. Like, they have been tested in the labs. The natural hair community was a bit loud about rosemary for hair growth, rosemary for hair growth. We're all over the internet. But then, the scientists said, no, we have to test this thing. Wow, these people on it. And they tested it and they saw that rosemary is actually a herb that can promote hair growth. So combining rosemary and this is the best benefit you can do for your hair. Like, sorry, I'm laughing. My siblings are always cracking me up, so I'm always laughing in my videos because they are the ones helping me film. Yes, kudos to them. So guys, this is where I'll be ending my video of using cashew leaves and also rosemary leaves for hair growth. You are going to be impressed. It's going to really moisturize your hair. Don't forget to seal in moisture with either oil or butter. Like, I'm emphasizing on, don't forget to seal in moisture with either oil or butter. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel once more. My name is Lydia. I'll see you in my next video. Till next time, bye.